The Igbos in Caribbean. Igbo people in Jamaica were trafficked by Europeans onto the island between the 18th and 19th centuries as enslaved labor on plantations. Igbo people constituted a large portion of the African population enslaved people in Jamaica. Jamaica received the largest number of enslaved people from the Bight of Biafra region than anywhere else in the diaspora during the slave trade. Some slave censuses detailed the large number of enslaved Igbo people on various plantations throughout the island on different dates throughout the 18th century. Their presence was a large part in forming Jamaican culture. Igbo cultural influence remains in language, dance, music, folklore, cuisine, religion, and mannerisms. There are a substantial number of Igbo language loanwords in Jamaican patois. Igbo people mostly populated the northwestern section of the island. For more inspiring historical and awareness stories like this, please like, share, and subscribe.